What happens when we don't have the freaking tools here to do it? Well, guys, we got a problem. As you can tell, we got a leak. I've never in my life had as many leaks on a piece of equipment new. I've got the 180. I've only had 2 leaks on it because it was a busted hose. Here it is, a brand new 210, less than 20 hours on it, and it's already had 2 leaks. 2 leaks, and it's all because of loose connections. I'm gonna get you in here so you can actually see. You see it? That right there is leaking. You got that hose right there is loose. I mean, I can actually twist it with my fingers. And that's something that they had to put on for the quick coupler. Can you get to it?
Oh no. It's a little hot right now.
Yeah, it's hot.
Where's it at? Can you touch it again?
I'm gonna put the camera in there. It's right here.
Oh, that one?
Yeah, top one right there. Brand new. I mean, it's just aggravating as crap to have to deal with something. We don't have our what'd you do?
I hit my head.
Yeah.
It's hot. Can't get it right there.
I don't know, James. Will this pop up right here?
No. Just bolt it down.
Bolt it down. You may just have to let it cool off. I'll just have to get in the dozer and try to finish up the rest of the day. It's aggravating. You can't, I mean, less than 20 hours between leaks. Less than 20 hours between leaks. We don't have the wrenches we had out here the other day.
Cleaned it up before
Guys, we're gonna see what we can do on this thing. I'll let you know here in a minute. This always happens when we don't have the freaking tools here to do it.
Can you hold that line?
Yeah, let me get up there. Okay. Turn it.
I don't know if it's like the where it connects at or right here, because it's both loose.
Where?
The against this.
Yeah. See if I can move this out of the way for now. Let me see it on it, James.
Right there, see? The whole thing.
That's the way the hose should have ran right there. See if you can tighten it up some. I'm going to have to buy some ratchets and stuff to sit in the, the fuel trailer. I me go ahead and see what I can find that may get in there. What do you do when you have a $250,000 piece of equipment? Do you come prepared to fix stuff? No, you don't, because you don't expect it to mess up. You know, this is all we've got right here. This is a wrench that changes the blade on the saw, circular saw. So let's see if this is going to work here. Let me see if I can get my fat tail up here. So let's see if this is going to work. It's a 17. And it's not going to work. So boy, we came prepared. We came prepared. I need an 18. Y'all have an 18 I can borrow? Will that crescent wrench work on that, James?
If I can get to it.
We should be able to get to it from up here.
It's just I just got. I can't change. I can't see if it needs to be tightened or loosened.
It's got to be tightened.
From over there.
It's got to be tightened because I mean it's
It needs to be tightened up.
That's a 3/4 right there, James. Let's see if 3/4 is gonna work.
Yep, that's it.
So can you push down on it?
Not getting burnt.
Is it on
Needs to
it?
be tightened just a little.
A little bit more. Okay.
3/8.
5/8 maybe.
Is it on there?
No. Let me loosen it up just a hair. I guarantee you I won't have this problem again. I guarantee you. You're doing it the wrong way, son.
I can't tell if it's.
Go push down on it, see if it moves it. Push. I guarantee you this won't happen to me again. But I'll go to Napa. I'll buy me a socket set for the fuel trailer. Socket and wrenches. Unless Napa or O'Reilly or somebody like that wants to sponsor a set of good sockets and wrenches, you know, because the rate of it looks like we're going to be working on the stupid thing every time we get on and use it. Every 10 hours you gotta work on it. Hey James,
You can put it on there.
Can I put it on there?
So?
No. I just don't have a good way of getting to it.
What now? Maybe.
That's it right there. If you can grab it and put a twist on it. Nope. Go back to the back toward the back.
I can't see. Can you get it?
Yeah. It needs to go in just like that there. Tighten it up some and go in just like that there. Can you pull it? Pull it out.
I don't see how they get up in there.
Well, they probably got the right stuff. I mean, that's what they do for a living. I'm sure they know all the tricks to it.
This darn thing was on the way we ever get to it.
It's still not tight. Still not tight.
Do you think it's leaking from there or where it elbows up?
No, it's leaking from there. It's leaking from that right there. It's right there. You have to put that in to do the. Yeah, right there is where it's leaking from. The coupling. I mean, that's bad loose. It's got to go right there, James. It's just gonna have to have a wrench to do it.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see if I can get up there.
Yeah, that's a beauty
Yeah, but I'm gonna be into it. Can't see it to do it. I'm not gonna be able to get down in there and get it either. Maybe if I lay down here.
Got you. Come on. You good?
Yeah, hold on to the wrench.
I got you.
That's all I need to do is drop my earbuds. I'm good at dropping stuff down in the engine. Last time it was a key.
Yeah.
Needs to be tightened up a little bit. There you go. getting too old for this, James. 50-year-old man.
Up to where we can just take it off right there. Bring it to us.
Ready?
Yep. Let's see if it leaks.
Hey, leave that up for a second. Yeah.